ከመይ ሓዲርኩም የለን በቃ የለን እኮ በቃ ትማል ብዝ ነይሩ ሕጂ ኣብዚ ግን ሕጂ ቁሩብ ሕር ኢላ ኣላ ቅምር ኢላ መዓት ነገር ቅምር ኢሉ ከወፂ ኢለ ኣሎ ሻይ ቡና ፍሊሐሲ ግን ክወፅእ ሪዛልት ድመፅእ ኣለኒ ሪዛልት ከምፅእ ሓር ሰዓት 11 ተናንገለኻ ናፍቲ ዶክተር ከብፅሓሉ እየ ኣብ ኩሉ ግን ይፈሉ ጥራሕ ክመፅእ እየ ሓደ ነገራት ትቀራረብ ኣለዉ እሱ ከዓ ቀርበለይ ምቲ ሪዛልት ርኡ ማለት እዩ ሽዑ ጉዶ ኸይዱ ክምፅእ ክልተ መዓልቲ 3 መዓልቲ ጉዶ ኸይዱ ክምፅእ ድሓር ኣነ ክመፅእ ምስ ተመለስኩ ኣነ ሽዑ 21 ኣታክ ኣለኒ ማለት እዩ ኣታክ ክገብር ናይ ርእሲ 24 ከዓ ናይ እግሪ እንደገና ኣበይ በፂሑ ከም ዘሎ እንትኽረአ ማለት እዩ እንድሕር ተኻኢሉ ኣብኡ ከለኹ ሒዝክዮ ኸይዱ ዋላ እቲ ሓደ ኢምፐኛ ቲቫይ ንብሎቲ ናይ ዓፅሚ ዶክተር ኣብኡ ከሎም ተገይሮም ምልክቲ ናይ ዳንጋን ናይ ብርክን ኣብኡ ከለኹ ሒዝክዮ ትኸዲ ሕጂ እዚ ግን እቲ ሪዛልት ምስ ወፀ እዩ ማለት እዩ ሪዛልት ምስ ወፀ ሱሪኡ እንታይ ከም ድብለኒ ማለት እዩ ዶክተር እንታይ ክፅሒፍለይ ከም ዝፀልእ ኣነ ጀም ይከኣል ካብኡ ድኸፍእ እኳ ሓሊፍናዮ positività, si viaggia, sono contentissima, si viaggia, siamo quasi pronti. Ho fatto una bellissima candelina, il caffè, babilka, che di solito di domenica lo faccio, no? Perché sta domenica non l'ho fatto, ero impegnata. Mamma mia, alle 5:30 che faccio le cose. Cioè da noi si dice, quando devi viaggiare non devi lasciare mai niente, diceva la mia nonna così, devi lasciare tutto pulito, anche se lo lasci pulito però devi sistemarlo tutto, specialmente la cucina per me è una cosa fondamentale proprio, anche se sto male, proprio anche se quando non riesco sto così proprio con i crampi, il bagno e la cucina no, il bagno proprio mi ricordo nell'altra casa mio figlio quando era piccolo gli piaceva stare in bagno, mi fa mamma mi terrazzo piccolino nel bagno così sto seduto là perché era più caldissimo, essendo che era piccolina era più caldissimo. Ho detto ma cosa fai là? Ah, vuole ascoltare la musica là, vuole fare la ginnastica là, vuole fare gli esercizi là prima che devo andare a fare il calcio, mi fa però mi fa piacere perché vuol dire che lo apprezza perché è bello pulito, gli piace stare là. È una cosa proprio perché se vedi, mi ricordo che era la mia madrina mi diceva, anche la mia nonna, se vedi passi più tempo in cucina a cucinare, a fare e in bagno lo stesso, per usare il bagno, per fare i bisogni, per lavarti, per truccarti, per vederti specchio, in qualsiasi modo, insomma, passi nella male della casa che passi più tempo sono in cucina e in bagno. In sala un'altra cosa, in camera da letto un'altra cosa, camera dei bambini un'altra cosa. Però il bagno e cucina no. Sono le cose più fondamentali. E mi trovo anche bene, ho continuato così, crescendo, facendo la mia vita normale. E la stessa cosa anche quando cominci a essere indipendente, cominci a lavorare, e di più devi farlo anche quando c'hai figli, perché gli stai dando esempio ai tuoi figli, imparano da te, capito? because they learn from you, your children. So the way how we has to be clean, the way has to be tidy, the way has to be very neat. It make you feel comfortable first, and then if you grow up in that atmosphere, automatically you will do it, and automatically you feel joy for it. Automatically you feel comfortable. I don't know, you feel more comfortable, especially kitchen and the toilet. I used to learn this from my grandmother and my godmother. She used to tell me, you have to do more as you can. And I get it from the time I was little. Even when I'm sick, I feel like I need to see clean. I need to see clean. No matter what you are, you can be poor, you can be rich, you can be exhausted rich, you can be, but your personality, it has to come from the time you was little. So your children, they learn from you. Your children, they learn from you, they copy you. Plus even you as a person, how you tidy yourself, how you neat yourself, how you clean up yourself, and then they copy your children from you. So this is what you see in your children. I was saying in my language. The way how he was clean, I remember sometimes when he was little, he was saying, Mama, put me the small mattress in the toilet because I want to lie down there. I want to do my homework. I want to do my exercise. I want to do my exercise gymnastics before I go to the football play. I need to make exercise myself. What you do in the toilet? He said, I like it, Mama. I like it. It's so warm. I like it. It's so warm and clean. He said, So you feel like he really appreciated what you did for the house and what you did for him. So he's indirectly he's telling you that he loved what he's seeing, he loved where he's living. So it's the most important things it's a very strong impact that you give to your children when they was little. So if you grow up in that ambitious, if you grow up in that atmosphere, if you grow up by learning these things, you didn't force yourself. Even when you're sick, you like to see it. It's not means to be exaggerated like that. There are a lot of people they have OCD or whatever. No, simple clean, because it make you feel comfortable for yourself. Oh, I was tidying up everything. I was washing the clothes, preparing things for my dog because I will leave her here, so the father has to follow up after her and buying things for her. And if you have like dirty clothes, you don't have to leave dirty clothes. You need to wash it and dry it. But these days, we are with water up and down, so and tied up nice the kitchen, clean nice the kitchen, clean nice the toilet. But already it was 3-4 days ago. I was doing it, but I mean just to feel, no, smell water, even if I can't smell. My nose is closed, but you need to have ጡሪ ነገር ክድርኢ ንዓይንና ንጥዕናና ንደቅና ካብ ኩሉ እንታይ ደቅና ካብ ናይ ኤግዛምፕል ንወስዱ ሕድርኸን ደቅና ንሕና ተሓኪምና ከም ገለ ክንከውን ገለ ተሪኦምና እንድሕር ካብ ንእሽትኦም ግን ብደንብ እንድሕሪ ኖርማል ትእዛዝ ዘይኮነሲ ከም ኖርማል ንሕና ክንላዕል ንሕና ክንጥር ነብስና ድዩ ኣከዳድናና ድዩ ፅሩይ ኮይንና ፅቡቅ ናይ ሽም ናይ ኤክስፔንሲቭ ተኸደንካ ነገር ኣይኮነን ግን ፅቡቅ ኮንካ ክትርአ ፅቡቅ ኮንካ ክትወፅእ ፅቡቅ ኮንካ ክትብል ዋላሳት እቶም ቆልዑትን ብጣዕሚ እዮም ደስ ዝብሎም እንድሕር ተስተውዕላ ኮንክን ካብ ትምህርቲ ከተምፅም ከለካ ገለ ተሓኪሶም ክመፁካ ከለዉ ከሎ ሕሰብኦም ሞ ተሓኪሶም ገለ ካብ ድፍዕኑ ኢልካ ኣካላትናኻ ከም ገለ ኮንካ ገለ ኮንካ ክትሪኦ ዋላ ዶንጊኻ ኹን ኣትሊስት ግን ናይ ሽም ሜክ ኣፕ ድገበርካ ይኮነ ግን ብጣዕሚ ፅሩይ ኮንካስ ፅቡቅ ተኸዲንካ ፅሩይ ኮንካ እቲ ፕሬዘንቴሽን ናትካሲ ንዕኡ ይሕቡኖ እዩ ወይ ንዕአን ሕብነን እዩ ንደቅኻ ፕሬዘንቴሽን ናትካ ንደቅኻ ብጣዕሚ እዩ ድሕብኖ እንታይ ኣብ ቅድሚ ዕሩኽቶም ማማይ እዚኣ ፓፓይ እዚኡ ኣዘራርባኻ ኣከዳድናኻ ከመይ ኣፕሮች ትገብሮ ነቲ ቆልዓ ብፅኢሉ ሕቑፍ ከብለካ ከሎ በቃ ብጣዕሚ ደስ ዝብሎም ብሕልፊ ንኣሽቱ ምስ ዓበዩ እኮ ከምዚ ይሓፍሩ እዮም ኖ ይሓፍሩ እዮም ኖርማል ይሓፍሩ እዮም ኦኬ ሕራይ ድሓናት ከምዚ ንህዶ ኦኬ ሕራይ ድሓናት ከምዚ ብሕልፊ እንድሕሪ ፀቕፀቅ ኮንካ ትቋፀሩ ዝፀቕፀሉ ገለ እንድሕር ነርካ ኮንካ ክትዕብዮ ከለካ እንዳዓበየ ክኸይድ ከሎ እንዳረሓቐ እዩ ድኸይድ ካባኻ ኢንስተድ እንዳቐረበ እንዳዕለለካ ኩሉ ነገር ደሎ ገለ ክንዲ ድኸውን እንዳረሓቐ እዩ ድኸይድ ንምንታይ እቲ ናቱ ዝኾነ ነገር ኢንዲፐንደንትሊ ንዕኡ ጥራሕ ክሎዝድ ገይርዎ እዩ ድኸይድ ድሓር እንዳበዝሐ ክኸይድ ከሎ ግን ኤክስፕሎር ክኸውን ማለት እዩ ሕጂ ካብ ከምኡ ምዃን ጌና ካብ ብንእሽቶኦም ከለዉ እንዳዘናጋዕካ እንዳፃወትካ ኢኻ ትምህሮም ከምቲ ንሕና ብንኣሽቱና ብሓይሊ ኣዝዩ ስራሕ ድበለና ሰብ ኣይነበረን ግን ባዕልና ብባዕልና ነንመሓዙትና ደቂ ገዛውትና ኣነ ከም ዝተማሂረሎማ ኣነ ከም ዝተማሂረ ኣነ ሎሚ ከምዚ ክኢለ ከመይ ጌርካ ገዛ ከምዝውልበል ተማሂረ ከመይ ጌርካ ቅጫ ከምዝልወስ ተማሂረ ከመይ ጌርካ ሽጉርቲ ከምዝምተር ተማሂረ ገለ ኢልካ ዝተዕልል ኢኻ ብጣዕሚ ደስ ዝብለካ እሱታት ሕጂ ክዕልሎ ከለኹ ወዲ ብጣዕሚ ደስ ዝብሎ ጅብኸም ምሳሌ እስኻትኩም ከዓ ከምዚ ክትኮኑ ኣለኩም እስኻትኩም ከዓ ከምዚ ክትመሃሩ ኢልካ ኢኻ ተመሓላልፈሉ ደለኻ ግን እንዳስሓቕካ ከምዚ እኮ እዩ ከምዚ እኮ ኢና ሓሊፍና ገለ ኢልካ ክትነግሮ ከለኻ እሳቶም ሕጂ ካብ ብንእሽቶም ኣብ ሓንጎሎም ስፑኛ ስለ ዝኾነ ካብ ብንእሽቶም ሒዞም እዮም ድዓብዩ I was saying no when our kids when they grow up when they are little when they grow up they need to see our figure nice very nice very clean good presentation. That's the most important for them, good presentation, because when they go out from the school, when they come to you mama, when they hug you papa, when they hug you and you smell good and they love it. The children, they love it. First you have to do it for you, but second you have to do it for your child, because this is child he like to present you. This is my mama, my mom is here, my mom is here. I remember what he was doing there. My mom is here, my mom is here, my mom is here. He's so happy because it makes you so happy when you see active child and he notes a lot of things, no? Especially when they are little. Say, mama, you dress nice today. Mama, this color is nice on you. Mama, I love the way how you dress. Mama, I want you to dress like this. Can you dress like the way how he was dressing yesterday? Sometimes he used to tell me like that. I like the way how he was dressing, mom. I imagine he was like 6th grade. So it make you so proud because he notes things that what good for you. He notes things what make him happy on you. What I did me for myself, for my presentation, for my view, for my personality, what I did. So for him, it give him some impact that make him so happy. So these things, it's so important for our kid. So when you go to pick up a child from school or when you go to drop him, just make yourself good, clean, and good presentation. The most important is a good presentation. They love it, especially the children. They are under 6th grade. They love it. Maybe they will not tell you, mama, I don't like this, I don't like it, because they didn't get too used to. Maybe they are afraid from you. Maybe so they have to be more open with you. And if you raise them by keeping them so straight, by keeping them so you have to be this, you have to be this, you have to be this, they will not tell you when they grow up. They will hide everything. So don't be like that. Don't be like that, okay? Try to be more open with your children and try to communicate more as you can. Whatever you do for them when they are little, when they grow up, it's the most important impact that you are leaving in them. You will see it if you show him that you keep clean your house, you keep clean your toilet, you keep clean the pet you have in the house, his bed, his bed sheet, it's everything, his cover. You teach him when winter it come, what you have to do for your pet, for your dog, for your cat. When summer it come, what you have to change for him. When you take him to the service washing the animals, or sometimes you let him to wash at home, so he need to learn. The child can be a boy, can be a girl, no matter the, whatever things is this, it come inside from the house. Any mother, we don't have to respect, we don't have to we don't have to expect they teach them everything, these things in the school. No, this is not from school. The school, they teach them what supposed to be to teach them. They teach them even many things that they supposed to be to teach them, but I don't want to talk about it now. So what they teach them at school, that's for the school. But the main point, the character, the way how he behave, the way how he dress, the way how he approach, the way how he speak his word, it come from inside your house. So don't blame your child. He said, he's so active, he's so blaming, he's so complaining, he's so like this. No, he hear you what you saying at home. He's hearing you what you say at home. He's hearing you when you fight with your partner. He hear you when you have agreement with your boyfriend. He hear you when you have agreement with your family. So he grow up with such things. What you pretend you will be. So we have to be careful. All that our children that we see now, can be good, or they can behave bad, or they are very bad character, is all from us. Believe me, it's all from us. We need to do a lot of sacrifice when we raise the children, especially when they are little. That's the most important. So please, any mother can understand what I am saying. I wish you happy Monday. Okay, thank you.